You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where we share real-life success stories to inspire and inform your international move. Today, we're telling the story of the Martins, a family of 5 from Texas who relocated to Spain. The Martins contacted us with a tight deadline and a big challenge, moving 3,000 square foot household, 2 dogs and a car, all before school started in September. SDC delivered with custom packing and crating for furniture and family heirlooms, ensuring even the most fragile, sentimental pieces arrived intact and ready to place. Pet relocation consulting through our trusted partners. We guided the family through health certifications, vaccinations, and airline-safe travel for their 2 dogs. Consolidated car shipping in their household container. This saved time and costs by transporting their SUV securely with the rest of their belongings. Door-to-door delivery and unpacking at their new villa, including debris removal, furniture setup, and placement according to the family's floor plan, allowing them to settle in immediately without lifting a finger. Dedicated move coordinator. This was available from day one to address concerns, answer custom questions, and provide updates from pickup in California until delivery in Spain. Our team coordinated each step, even assisting with custom documentation for their vehicle and working closely with Spanish agents to ensure on-time clearance. The children started school on time, and their house felt like home within days of arrival. Let us make your next chapter stress-free. Call 877-339-0267 or request your quote at sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.